Let's do the unboxing of this new Mooer GE300. This one is smaller. Not much wrapping. Nice packaging. Shaking here. It's open. Like this. Okay, yeah, this is like a warranty card. That's why it was unsealed, because it's imported, and importer. Nice packaging. This. See, yeah. Sideways. It's going to be like this. Put this under the desk. There's a box on this side, which is probably the AC adapter or some cable or something. USB type B cable. Seems like a nice cable. This one is the power adapter, which is also Brazilian standard. So it's either imported like this, or they have replaced here. And then this is the other side of the AC adapter. Side. And it's well protected. It's just second. I hope I don't break it, don't fall. It's a business card. You can call this guy, whoever Chinese guy is this. More studio, more presets and amps and there's a website, and there's a manual. Nice packaging. Didn't really need this back, so it's nice that they have included this. Nice. It's kind of like a quick start guide, or maybe similar to the PDF that we see online that I have already checked a few times before purchasing. And then we go for this. Move side. Other side. It is not so light as I thought, maybe, but of course It's smaller than I thought, not as light as I thought. And also sturdy. Beautiful. Yeah, it is lighter than my pedals, my analog pedals, and definitely lighter than pedals plus amp, in case I can use this on stage. So I'll plug in and hopefully start playing, do some videos this week. Thanks for watching.